Now, Render is a very, very interesting asset, being one of the leaders in the AI space for crypto. It's not recovering too well in the light of this massive liquidation event that we have had for crypto. Now, in this video over on Crypto News, I am your host, Crypto Chester. We're going to be talking about Render and how we could be making some money trading this asset and how underpriced this thing actually is right now. So we're going to start off with a general update about Render. But before we do that, guys, I do want to talk to you very quickly about our sponsor. Our sponsor on today's video is called Best Wallet. Basically, they're the same as MetaMask, but they offer 60 different chains. It's a Web3 wallet that you need to have and you need to use it because if you basically have your money inside of crypto exchanges or anything like that, then basically it's not your money. Did you know that? If an exchange was to go bust, you would basically lose all your funds. Okay, now in a Web3 wallet like Best Wallet or MetaMask or any of the other Web3 wallets out there, obviously Best Wallet is the best, but you would basically hold on to your funds. They have no access over your funds at all. So if you haven't got a Web3 wallet, if you haven't got a non-custodial wallet, get the cheapest one. Well, it's not cheap, it's completely free, but get the one with the cheapest fees when you do buy, sell and trade crypto, and that is obviously Best Wallet, of course. It does actually support a lot more change than all the other wallets out there, guys, so definitely go check it out. All the links are in the description. Now, talking about Render here, $2.51. Okay, in the last 24 hours, it's down just 0.61%. In the last week, it's down 6.36%. In the last month, it's down 25.38%. Absolute bloodbath here. And in the last year, nearly a 50% reduction in the price. That's not cheap, I don't know what is. Every single time this thing runs, it absolutely explodes. Every single time the markets run, Render absolutely explodes. It's one of the leaders in the AI space, in the AI coins for crypto, and specializes in basically like sharing GPU usage across the board, I do believe. Yeah, GPU-based rendering solutions. So basically, creators can share and use each other's GPU space that's technically idle for rendering massive 3D projects. Now, this is massive in the AI space and in the NVIDIA space as well. It's seeing quite a lot of growth and has basically been really up there as a massive contender in the previous runs. Okay, we're talking $4.97 billion in market cap every time this thing runs. Every time the market runs, this thing runs with it. Okay, so go check it out. All the links in the description for Render. Now let's go into the Render chart and let's see where we can be buying this and what sort of prices we could be looking out for in the future. Before we do that, guys, I do want to talk to you about another project, an alpha project that is absolutely huge in my book, that's raised $25 million in their pre-sale so far. You still have a chance to get in because this is a super cool utility that I think is going to absolutely revolutionize the Bitcoin space and also have a massive pump. Okay, that's the main reason we want to make money, right? Okay, so the fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain is here. Scalability and speed for Bitcoin is finally here. Obviously, that's what Bitcoin is lacking from day-to-day markets, guys. From payments to just general transaction times, it's too long, it's too expensive, you need a layer 2. So this is where Bitcoin Hyper comes in. Now, Hyper is the ticker here. It's raised $25 million in their pre-sale. Someone just bought the pre-sale literally a second ago as I'm talking. $25 million in their pre-sale here. They've had both of their audits done publicly here, guys, so you can go check them out as well. It's featured in some very reputable brands across the space here. Binance, CoinMarketCap, Cointelegraph here, 99 Bitcoins, Bitcoin Magazine. It's being compared to their Lightning Network, Optimism, ZK rollups, and that is why it's raised $25 million, okay? It's here for a reason. It's what is needed in the Bitcoin space to make the Bitcoin space and adoption work for retail, and this is where basically Bitcoin Hyper comes in. If you guys want to get involved with this, all you need to do is connect your Best Wallet, your Wallet Connect, your MetaMask, or your Base Wallet. Any of these wallets will work. You can exchange Ethereum, Solana, USDC, USDT, Visa card or MasterCard, or even BNB to get involved with this. Once you've done that, guys, you can actually get your coins, go over to the staking, and you can actually stake your coins all the way up until launch. And then basically you can actually earn passive income while this thing is basically getting ready to launch. Wins all around. Go check it out. All the links in the description. Obviously, go do your own research. Now, as discussed, let's chat about the Render chart here because this hasn't really recovered at all, right? It hasn't recovered at all since we did really start to descend here, guys. Okay, so what we're really looking for now, instead of like a massive moonshot here, I just want to see us sort of break a very, very easy target of, say, I don't know, $3. If we can get to that, then it's very, very likely that we will see upside past that. Now, that is still a 21% move, guys. So the reason why I'm talking to you about this right now is because right now what we're in, for render, in my book, we're in what is called an accumulation phase, okay? Every single time that this thing dips, this is where we buy. We buy the dips continuously. So every single time we're getting these super, super low prices, okay? And basically it puts our average entry really far down. Average entry probably around this sort of area, okay? So the next time the render really starts to explode here, we're gonna get our average entry, and we're going to actually be up 338% to all-time highs here, which is basically a 4.4x on our investment here, just by simply buying all these dips, which is just absolutely insane, guys. You put in 50 grand, you're going to 4x that. Fly in my face. You're going to 4x that quite easily here. And same scenario actually with Bitcoin Hyper. It's looking really, really good for a 50k investment or something like that. I know I've got that much involved. But yeah, so yeah, looking for a nice 5 to 10x really on that. But a 4x is still fine. Profit is profit, right? So yeah, what I would be looking out for here for render is, of course, that move up 20% is very, very nice. But really what we're looking for is another dump. I'm happy to buy more, or breaking this 55. We can break the 55 up, then it's a very, very clean leg up for us to be taken advantage of, and that's basically going to be roughly around a 14% move. So my next sort of long trade for futures position will be up somewhere along the lines of this when we clear all major moving averages here, and also have the confirmation of breaking that lower high to the upside. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys let me know what you think of render in the comment section. Let me know what you think of TA, think of the TA, and also don't forget, get yourself Best Wallet, guys, okay? Attach it to your Google Chrome as a Google extension, and you can buy, sell, trade, swap crypto, whatever you want to do at the click of a button over through Google as a Google extension. Really, really easy to use. And also, guys, Bitcoin Hyper is going to launch soon, okay? They raised $25 million for a reason. This thing is very, very, very exciting. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.